In this video, we'll talk about why I am bullish Bitcoin, but I am short right now. My short trade started last night when I saw this divergence in the MACD and prices were making a very small 1, 2, 3 top formation inside a super small time frame right here. As that unfolded, we can see over here more clearly on the Ichimoku panel. As I saw this divergence and this 1, 2, 3 formation set up, then I took my short position and I was able to stay without being at a loss at all throughout the trade. As prices came up here, they almost hit my stop. And then as it broke down and made a new 1, 2, 3 and it's testing from underneath, I added on to my trade. You may ask, what are my profit targets now that I'm in this short trade and my stop is below my entry? That's what we'll cover in this episode, but the important stuff is going to be held till the end, where I'm going to talk about what this means with Bitcoin dominance and where the best opportunities are in the alts. In order to make the most of the commentary I make on Bitcoin prices, you need the trading plan, all 5 stages of the trading plan. So be sure to go over to the website intro-to-cryptos.ca and get the webinar and the companion study guide for free. It is a 27-minute webinar that you will have to watch several times. Let's jump in. Here's the longs and the shorts. We've got this little wee top formation. We can see that longs have gone up actually throughout this period of time as this top formation has been building. And shorts have not been developing yet. So there is a place here to squeeze those longs. As we move into the relative strength index, I'm in the short time frames now, and you can see the 1, 2, 3 patterns that I was working with. Here we can see that there is a divergence in the RSI. As prices are going up, RSI is saying, yep, that's about all we have. So as it made a 1, 2, 3 top formation and broke this uptrend line, I put on a little wee short there, and prices didn't come back and hit my stop loss yet. So as they made the second little 1, 2, 3 top formation underneath a larger 1, 2, 3, I thought, I'll try it. My stop loss is still below my average entry here, so my risk is under control. And that's my job finished, is to put on the position when the 1, 2, 3s play out in a way that manages the risk. After that, it's not up to me anymore, and it's time I'm in stage 3 of the trade. So if you don't understand what I mean by stage 3 of the trade, be sure to go over and get that trading plan. Now let's go on from the relative strength index to the on balance volume. We see good volume, but not as much. And now no volume on this try to go up here, just like that's all we've got. And it's making the 1, 2, 3. So I'm feeling more comfortable in my short. Now you'll say, what's my target? We'll get to that. Here is the other decision that helped me on this, make the first sell right there on this time frame. What is it? 15-minute. And we can see the divergence in the MACD indicator. So as this crossed, I took it, put my stop above or below my entry, and I'm ready to go with it. Then we can see it crossed again, and so I put on the second stage of the trade, and we're good to go. The other thing is the Ichimoku cloud, where now the prices on the 15-minute time frame, we can see the tiny little top formation. It's building another layer of the top formation. The cloud is already turned red. The blue line now crossing below the red would confirm that this is a sell signal through this little time frame here. And since my stop is already below my entry, I don't have to worry. I can just let the market tell me now what's going on. Here's the other component of this sell signal, is that I am watching for every time that there's a potential for a mean reversion, which is we go outside the 3rd standard deviation and we come back within the 2nd standard deviation. There's a potential now for the price to make its way back to the mean, back to the middle. And that's what we're playing here now in this short-term short. I don't actually have a target. Instead, I'm going to let the market tell me by making a 1, 2, 3 formation in the opposite direction or kicking me out by hitting my stop loss. You can come and join us over on our Discord chat, and you'll see that we go through the process of this top formation as it's building out. We've been talking our way through the construction of the sell signal, how Bitcoin's just holding on. The end is near. We're all watching it as this whole trading plan is playing out. So if you want to have a group of people who are all studying the very same trading plan so that you get used to what you're doing and you get to practice it, come over and join us over on Discord. Now let's get into Bitcoin dominance. It has gone way up here. We're on the 15-minute view, and you can see how it has been matching with Bitcoin going up here. Let's zoom out a little bit, and we can see a larger 1, 2, 3 formation that is setting up here, and Bitcoin dominance has been rising, and it's gone up past retesting these levels and going the other direction. So the trend now is unnerving. As Bitcoin dominance has been rising, we can see different periods of time in the past where the 3-day exponential moving average crossing was a bad time for the alts. As Bitcoin dominance is rising, this is bad for the alts. The alts are getting crushed. The alts are getting crushed. We had the 1, 2, 3 top formation and a big move down with dominance. Moved up in a big hammer down, and it's been really squeezing the alts over and over and over again. And I was expecting this as a top formation and that alt season was coming. But we've moved back up into important support and resistance levels from the past. And now we're again watching for a top formation in this and a bottom formation in our alts at the same time. So we're really zooming in on this now to see, when do we get a top formation out of this? Could it be at the same time as Bitcoin? If that is the case, we're going to start to see these alts taking off really fast. And if we're going to zoom in on Bitcoin dominance and get into the detail and grade all of the different altcoins to see how did they get affected by this last move, we can go into the bull market watch, and we can see that there are 46 coins that failed to brand new lows in Binance. There are 43 coins that are almost failing to brand new lows. The Bitcoin dominance rising has given us 3 different times to filter out the coins, and now to shake out the coins that we should or should not be holding. First of all, we'll have the coins that are have failed. We can clear those out of our list. And we have the coins that really did well in the bull market run in February. So we can take those 2 different lists now and sort those out and come down to a core list of coins that didn't fail and also did best in February. Those are the coins that we are going to be concentrating on most, and those are a special list that you get as a Bull Market Watch subscriber. If you found the free training and the webinars really helpful and you want to build those habits, the Bull Market Watch is the most affordable way to check out this trading plan on 200 different cryptocurrencies every single day. We'll see you on the other side. Thanks again for joining. Hit the thumbs up. Join us on Discord. Good luck in your trading. Stay safe. See you next time. Arrivederci. Bye for now. Take care of yourself. Hug your mother. Bye.